Beverly when he could come inside and
Aloha Dolly Coins, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial how-to video is on how I did my brows. These are how I do my eyebrows on a daily basis, if I'm wearing foundation or not. First, you want to start off with some nice clean brows, means tweezed and everything. I'll take my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in chocolate. And I forgot which number brush this is, but this is Anastasia as well. And so I just dab some of that on my brush. Go ahead and feather out your eyebrows however needed be. And just take your brush and line it up.
Just took 2 shots of Henny and I'm going in. I thought that we were over, now we're going in. You still thinking about me, oh yeah, I know that shit. I wish it was easy to get over you.
On the top as well. Starting about right here, because you don't want it too dark right here. So just start about right here.
You know it's true. I know you love talking, but we get to stop it. Cause lately too often you haven't been sleeping alone.
Then go back and lightly line this part.
When you're ready to grow.
The same for the other side, of course. Start about right here.
You still thinking about me? Oh yeah, I know that shit.
And then once you get most of the product off, go back. And then fill your brows out.
And I know that you read it, cause I know there isn't a time that you're not on your phone. No.
I like to start from the tail because that's where you want most of your product to be the darkest.
And now I just took 2 shots of Henny and I'm going in.
And just grab a little bit more product and just add lightly in the areas we didn't get to.
I just took 2 shots of Henny and I'm going in. I thought that we were over, now we're going in. Thinking about me, oh yeah, I know that shit.
I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Duo powder in chocolate as well. Then I'm going to be taking one of my BH Cosmetics brushes that I got 10,000 years ago. And I'm just going to go in with the light part and the inner part of the brow. And then the dark part for the tail of the brows.
You still thinking about me, oh yeah, I know that shit. I wish it was easy to get over you. I don't think you get what I've been going through. Pockets growing, phone is blowing out you. Cause who the fuck else would it be?
I'm done with that. I'm going to go ahead and shade my brows with a little spoolie. And just get them in order, however you want them to be. And fading it at the beginning of the brow is highly important. Yeah, so fading it at the beginning of the brow is highly important to get that natural.
No, you ain't the same. I thought you were. You so cool, you so Hollywood.
Crazy right now. So now I'm going to be taking my concealer by LA Girl Pro, and this one is in shade Toffee. So what I like to do is use a brush when I'm applying this product. Instead of using this to apply it, I use another BH Cosmetics brush. It's another angled one. Yeah. None of these have numbers on it. I just got them like 1,000 years ago. So anyway, what I like to do is squeeze out some product and just take my brush and apply a generous amount. And I like to start from the tail, the bottom tail of the brow, and work my way in.
When I wanted you, I sent you a text and I know that you read it, cause I know there isn't a doubt that you're not on your phone, no. You saying you miss me, well baby forget it, cause I'm moving on and I'm doing just fine on my own. And now I just took 2 shots.
And I like my concealer to touch so my brows are lined up correctly so they look like twins and not sisters. So I'm going to do the same for the top as well. And this time I'm going to be starting in the inner corner. Not the inner corner, but right here.
Cause who the fuck else would it be? You know it's true. I know you like talking, but we get to stop it, 'cause lately too often you haven't been sleeping alone. You know that I want you, but lately it's fuck you. So maybe you should let me know when you're ready to grow. And now I just took 2 shots of whiskey and I'm going in. I thought we were over now.
This is when you want to meet the brows. I kind of went down too far right there. But anyways, this is where you're gonna meet the brows. So
gotta impress all your followers.
Welcome to the Unibrow Club.
Delete your number, probably sure I'll meet you out with if I could. You ain't the one I'm thinking about. Your name's no longer in my mouth. But I sent you a text and I know that you read it, cause I know there isn't a doubt that you're not on your phone, no. You saying you miss me.
Take my brush and blend it out a bit.
I'm doing just fine on my own. And now I just took 2 shots of Henny and I'm going in.
And then I blend with the power of my fingers. Okay. Try to do this gently as possible so I won't mess up my eyebrows.
Going in. You still thinking about me, oh yeah, I know that shit. You still thinking about me, oh yeah, I know that shit. It used to be just you, but now I gotta feel. You got me regretting that I followed you. Got me going crazy, I'm still calling you. I bet you wish you cared more when I wanted you. I sent you a text and I know that you read it, cause I know there isn't a doubt that you're not on your phone, no. You saying you miss me, well baby forget it, cause I'm moving on and I'm doing just fine on my own.
After blending it out, blending in the concealer, take an Anastasia brush or a spoolie brush and just blend it, just fade it back out a little more and upward, and just placing the hairs back in position to give it a more precise look.
Pockets growing, phone is blowing, no it's you.
Ooh. And then the last step of the brow gang is the Anastasia brow gel, and I like to finish my brows off with this. This is totally optional, but I'm used to doing it, so I usually do it every time I do my eyebrows. It just helps them to last longer and stay put.
Now we're going in. You still thinking about me, oh yeah, I know that shit.
Watching my video.
Gotta impress all your followers. No, you ain't the same I thought you were. You so cool, you so Hollywood. Delete your number, probably sure I'll meet you out with if I could. You ain't the one I'm thinking about.